Duarbogri MAC Richard Toby distributes land patas in Dolamara. Good morning, viewers. You're watching Karbiang Live Morning News with your host, Jobon Kilingpi. And now the news in detail. The long wish of many people were fulfilled on Saturday as Duarbogri MAC Richard Toby distributed free land patas to the poor families of Dolamara area. Our correspondent has sent us this report. The land pata distribution program was held at the Dolamara Cultural Complex Center. The move is part of Karbiang Autonomous Council's commitment towards serving the people and especially the poor villagers. Altogether, 520 household patas were distributed to the villagers from Dolamara, Kohora, Diring and Baguri area falling under the Silonijan Circle. While speaking at the event, which was chaired by VDC Chairman Sarkoy Romphar, MAC Richard Toby said that the free land patas to the poor families was distributed as part of the fulfillment of the promises of present team Karbiang Long led by Karbiang Autonomous Council CM Turiram Ronghang and EM Amar Singh Tisu. He said that Duarbogri has received tremendous amount of attention in developmental aspect. The MAC and Forest Board Chairman Richard Toby also stated that the free pata distribution program would continue in the days too as part of ensuring more security to the original inhabitants of the area. Apart from MAC Richard Toby, Dolamara Municipal Board Chairman Mongol Singh Terang, Daitor Municipal Board Chairman Jakub Tokbi, Silonijan Circle ARO Longbiningti, ex-BDC Chairman Sunaram Singnar, and several other party leaders, members and beneficiaries were present at the program.
Pini nali tum hat pota ke joy na keron per pon nali tum ko pilo ke puji.
Tarang ron ko sene tum sarpan churu parpik lo alang li son ke keron pon thek pon patang kon nen kan pe same alang li di tum thek long le la same pini ke alang li son ke joy di tum pan keron pon thek pon me alang li pan service li do bayar.
Later, after the free land pata distribution program, a cash reward of Rs 50,000, Rs 30,000 and Rs 20,000 were also distributed to Bhoktogaon polling station, Kremkro polling station and Basagaon polling station respectively for securing highest votes in the recently concluded MLA elections. RG Sonrongpar's report from Dolamara for Karbiang Live. A boundary wall scheme was sanctioned under the MSDP scheme for the safety of the LP school at Maitimu village in number 20 Nilip MSC constituency. The school is located at a distance of 20 kilometers from Koilamati. Here is a report. Lack of proper infrastructure has always posed challenge to the teaching-learning process. And in the lower primary school at Maitimu village, there is no boundary wall, no toilet and no drinking water facility. Set up in the year 1962, the school had already completed 59 years of its existence. Presently, the headmaster Rasdeep Kujur and assistant teacher Solomon Rongpi are handling the task of teaching more than 40 students from classes LKG to class 5. Solomon is engaged by the headmaster on humanitarian ground. Citing the pandemic as the reason, the headmaster Kujur had not been seen in the school for more than a year. The headmaster had even not paid the lump sum amount to his assistant. Meanwhile, children of the village are not receiving any sort of learning opportunities during this pandemic situation. The lack of the attendance of the headmaster, non-payment of salary to the assistant teacher, and the pandemic ultimately led to the present condition of the school, which is covered by bushes. The construction of the school boundary wall sanctioned under Multi-Sectoral Development Program 2017-18 had also stopped as neither committee nor the headmaster has taken steps. Supervisor of the work, Jangpai Singnar, alleged that they had not received the entire fund, so the work had to be stopped.
Nanglimen son
Nilimen ke Solomon Rongpi.
landak pierong ni ha.
Adak mai timoro.
Mai timoro. Pangsu school along Thanbang headmaster men pila.
La so school ang Thanbang headmaster ke Rasdeep Kujur.
Wang ma wang we.
Piningan bang
lockdown
pamase bang pin lo.
Kedak assistant teacher mal.
Assistant bangge ningkan isi bangge nilisi cerabdon same tuning pen bangge tapu thang alam abe masih koklo ke pininga bangge bang kitin yo sa tenta
ke kelas kon dul dah
sumare akithian ge beda masih pin kelas 4 an sido cok
kelas 4 bang on bang doi student ke
ini ke sumare bangge hala nursery kiji lakan kelas 4 an tulo tangde bang angkara trok di kelason do kok hai
kalang teladak la hemar lo bang ke kangnya bench desk ado we ke mission ma monte long le thak senang tu mala kangni ni
Bian sabang ke lapu cetang OIS ita gado lakan bang lihat habang ini ke ini nih.
Samson T from Koilamati for Carbianong Live. The absence of road and communication is severely affecting normal life of the people of Upilangso under number 9 Amreng MSC constituency. Here's a report on the pathetic situation of the road. The presence of good road is one indicator of development which is time and again being promised by the government. Despite so many assurances and promises, the government had miserably failed to solve the communication woes of Upilangso, a place located 18 kilometers away from Jirikindeng town. More importantly, there is no health center in the locality. Thus, in the absence of proper road, even the ambulances never go to the village. And whenever any villager needs medical attention, the ailing person has to be carried on the shoulders with the help of bamboo to the health center on foot. This situation faced by the people here is not new, and they continue to face the same pains and hardships. The villagers have repeatedly raised their voice and demanded the basic amenity for their village, but to no avail. Hence, they have once again sought help from local MAC, Rina Terangpi, to take immediate steps to relieve them of the communication woes. Samsing Inti's report from Jirikindeng for Carbianong Live. That is all we have for today. Thank you for watching Carbianong Live and have a great day.